All right, hey folks, welcome to this quick video here. I'm going to show you how to get a free $20. It's free money. It's super easy to do, and I would do it. It's free money, right? So where else? What other company would give you free money? So let me show you. It's what it is. It's a Netspend debit Mastercard. What you do is you could get free $20 plus for every one you refer, you could get $20 as well. So if you want to make this into like a little home job or something like that and refer other people to it, you keep getting $20 and $20 and $20 to your card. And So what you do is you order your Netspend card and you can click anywhere on this page. And if you're just watching this video, you could go down to the description and come to the page where you could get all signed up and everything. So what you do is you load $40 onto your card, and then you get 60 bucks, free 20 bucks. It's pretty awesome, right? And you could go down, and it will talk about on this page just the easy steps you got to do, and that's pretty much it. But like I said, I'll just show you. You click on anywhere. It takes like literally 2 minutes, folks. You fill out the form here, put your name and information. They'll send you a card. All you got to do is activate it, and then you upload $40 of your own money, and they give you a free 20 bucks. So you could use that money. It's your money anyway that you put on the card. So you just get extra $20. So go get it, folks. Like I said, the description has a link if you aren't on the page already. And just go ahead and click down below and get your free $20 with your Netspend card. All right.